Now that we have created both our title slide and our introduction slide, we can move forward with our presentation. So I'd like to note that in our first slide, this is the opportunity to share what our presentation is going to be about. And in this case, we're talking about Natalie's garden. And then in the next slide, I take the opportunity to introduce myself, talk about what my organization, my garden really does, and I include some bullet points here that I can really build off of in my presentation. We don't want to make the slides too wordy, just because it can be hard for people to read and listen to your presentation at the same time. So having these bullet points will really strengthen your presentation. Now in our next slide, maybe I really want to showcase a image of a success that my garden has had. So we're still on our home tab here, and I'm going to go to the new slide, drop down, and I'm going to go to picture with caption. So here it says click icon to add picture, and it takes me to my files where I'm going to insert a picture of a successful tomato plant in my garden. And I'll go ahead and title this slide. And then I can add a caption here to describe the picture that people are looking at. So in this case, I really want to be descriptive of what I'm showing people and how it relates to my presentation. So any opportunity where you can add numbers or specific successes that your organization or group has shared in your presentation, then this is a great opportunity to do that.